Good afternoon. Yeah, it's the afternoon. Hello. How are you? Obviously, I hope you're well. So fucking awkward starting these videos. Jesus Christ. I annoy myself. I thought I'd stick with this whole screen thing, if it helps. I can't imagine it will much at the moment because I'm not going through the all the exercises like I was last week, but I can still refer to them. So um, I hope that's okay. I'm sure it is. Anyway, hope your week is going well so far. Mine is flying by. It's going really quickly, which is cool. I quite like it because obviously we're sort of waiting to move into the house in hopefully less than 2 weeks. So the faster the time goes, the better for me right now. Um, but yeah, my training is going really, really well. As you can see, I'm making progress daily, pretty much, which is so nice. It's just fucking lovely. What's going on? So yeah, I'm really enjoying my training. I think I can't remember what changed now. What did we change? I don't know. Yeah, I know. We changed the RDLs for the first exercise, which made such a huge difference. Like it was actually my legs that gave out before my forearms this time, so that's awesome. And well, it's not awesome. I wish I got more, but they felt so much better, and it's so fucking good to get back to those like top numbers that I've had before those weights. So next one is fucking heavier than I've ever done. So I'm just dead excited to do that. Made the D handle. Let me get to the top and then I can talk about it. Right, yeah. So it made the D handle pull down just a little bit harder. I think I lost a rep on the second set compared to last week, but that's about it. And then the wide PSP pull down, it's a lot easier because I just don't have to battle with the whole, like I can actually get a full extension on it. Um, what else? Other than that, everything's going really well. Like you saw my hip thrust, which I decided to do with a flat bench, and Jesus Christ, the amount of plates I had to use to stabilize it is just stupid. But it just felt a lot more. I can't say comfortable because it's not a fucking comfortable move, but it felt better. And I will try and control the eccentric a little bit better next time. No, I will. I will control it. Um, but yes, they felt really good. So apart from that, training's going really well. Like I added a weight as well to the GHD um, hypers because yeah, I was doing nearly 40 reps and it was just knocking me out. To be honest, I quite like the feel of it though. um, yeah, everything's feeling really, really good. I'm enjoying it a lot. There's just a couple like the easy bar upright row is a bit. I don't know if that's going to be a bit more difficult as it gets heavier. Um, and I think the drop set of the lateral raises. Where the fuck is that again? Not that one. Um, this one. Um, it's going to be a long time until I can even up the weight on that. So I'm just sticking with like the 5 because the next weight up is the 7.5. So I can just make it harder by taking my time or easier, whatever. Yes, but other than that, everything's awesome. Niggle wise, I think I told you last week my shoulder, just because I think I slept funny on it, it just hurt. It's definitely not hurting as much. But when I did my um, upper body session on the Friday, maybe I shouldn't have done the single arm over like the press because it just felt horrible. But I can't. I just couldn't accept like missing it. Um, and to be honest, with the heavier weight that I did, it felt fine when I was actually doing the movement. It was when I was doing it with no weight, it just really bothered me. But it's feeling a lot better, so that should be fine. My actual like hip flexors, like adductors, the usual. I think I've just had the pain for so fucking long that I'm just used to it now. But it's totally manageable. The only pain that I have sort of got, I can't even describe it. It's like it's in both of my like where my hip bones are. Feels like it's like if your hip bone was like that, which obviously it's not, but imagine it's like that. It's like it's inside. It's fucking weird. But it's not causing me any problem when I'm training. It's just I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's I don't know. I don't know, but it's fine. What else have I noticed? The DOMs that I'm getting are ongoing. um, so I am feel like I'm feeling it today from my last two sessions. So from my two sort of upper body sessions, I feel very, very sore. Like I trained at like 5 p.m. last night. My triceps are fucked today. Um, and that's a bit like I've got to shift things around this week. So I've got to train tomorrow. So I'll be doing upper body tomorrow, resting Friday, lower body Saturday, which is a little bit annoying because I'm really tired. Um, but I'm out all day on the Friday, so I can't. I could meet. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Anyway, yeah. So, but they're not. The DOMs are fine. Too. They're not too severe or anything. One thing I have noticed when I'm training is my just calorie expenditure. According to my watch, is a lot higher than it has been. I'd say the past like week or so. Like it's compared to like last month, it's a couple of hundred more per session. Whether I'm pushing a bit harder or not, I don't know. But other than that, yeah, training's awesome. I'm loving it. Nutrition wise, I'm definitely less like obviously been doing my best to sort of stick to the macros, which I hate, but I know it's necessary. I'm definitely less food focused. I'm changing that, so I'm not saying I'm less hungry because that's not fucking true. I'm starving, but I'm less food focused. So I'm just thinking about it a bit less. But when I'm not busy, it's definitely very prominent. But yeah, that's all fine. Body comp wise, I tell you what, like I know you saw the squats earlier, felt so much better than I expected. But doing my fucking photos after that was so difficult. Like I couldn't tense my legs properly. Like I trained legs and abs, and my stomach was just like, eh. Um, so I found that really hard to do my photos today. Um, and again, like I don't think at any point in this off season I'm going to look at that and be like, yeah, I look good. Um, when I look in the mirror normally, I do generally feel like my composition is getting better. Like I can actually see like ab shape, whereas before it was just a big blob. So I think I'm looking um, better composition wise. Um, see what you think. And I can definitely see my legs are like filling out again, which is nice. Um, my sleep is lengthwise the same as fucking usual. But quality wise, like I am like out of it. Like I really struggle to wake up at the moment. And I'm just absolutely fucked when I do wake up. Like I'm so tired. Um, so I don't know, but I'm sleeping well. Um, I don't know if my energy is a little bit down at the moment. I'm definitely like with things that are going like because the house is going through its final stages and I'm having to sort all the documents out about that. Like I'm not an external stressor. I don't worry about things consciously. I think, but subconsciously things grate at me, and I think the house is stressing me out like subconsciously, which is affecting everything else, to be honest. So hopefully that will be done and dusted soon, and things can just crack on. Once you're in the house, I can get my sleeping pattern much better. Um, yes, I'm excited for that for many reasons. Um, but I think that's everything. I can't think of anything else to add. So, yes, I really hope you're well. I hope you're having a good week. Um, and yes, chat soon. Bye.